Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unwiring this Norway spruce that I wired up about a year ago. It's about time the wire came off, so I will bring you in a bit closer, set you up, and we'll crack on. So, like I said in the intro, this I wired up probably the 23rd of January last year. There doesn't appear to be any biting in. I mean, there's probably like the tiniest little bit around where the thicker wire is, around the trunk, but we'll have a look when we get it off. I think the first thing I need to do is to probably get all these weeds out for a start. So yeah, we'll crack on with that first. Now that that is all weeded and got all the bits of greenery off the top of the soil, really I should probably top dress this, but I don't think I will because hopefully I'm going to repot it in the spring. I don't really want to do it yet. I still think it's a bit too early, but let me know in the comments if you think it's the right time to do it. As I say, I'm still learning, so you know, let me know. I think we should start taking the wire off. I'll bring you in closer so you can see what I'm doing. So I think I'm going to start with this big one here. I don't think there's anything in the way, maybe a bit further down here. Actually, yeah, that's going to be in the way, so we'll take this one off first. And if you can see that, this one here. I really like this little tree. I love the little kind of design on it. What was it? Jonas from Bonsai Cornwall said it was like a dragon design, I think he called it when I showed him. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest. I bought it for about £3 from Morrison's last year, and yeah, decided to just whack some wire on it and see where we went from there. Some of these smaller, thinner branches might still need to be wired back down again, because they're quite thin and won't have set yet. So we'll have a look when I've finished taking all the wire off. Okay, so we've got the smallest bit of wire bite. certain areas, but actually, considering it's been on for a year, that's not done too badly. Yeah, that's alright actually. I think should probably maybe wire these branches down a little bit more. Now we've got the trunk line where I want it. We should concentrate on just keeping these branches from growing upwards. So I think I might just do that now. So there we are. I've taken all of the wire off that needed to come off and rewired some of the branches that were just growing upwards, just to try and keep them down a bit. I think now what I'm going to do is just give it a little bit of a trim because we've got stuff growing out that I don't really want. So I'm going to keep the new growth, obviously, but there are bits that I don't need. Like here, there are that's a T branch, so I'm going to chop that one back. We'll go for the bigger one, and maybe that one there. Get rid of that. There we go. I think that's basically all I can do, really, to be honest. I'm quite happy with it, I think. We'll see in the next few weeks, months. I mean, like, you know, I've got all these new bits of new growth here. Hopefully some more of these buds will start to pop in the next few weeks. As we know, spring is definitely on its way. yeah, I might even give it a repot. Who knows? Who knows? There we go, guys. There is my little Norway spruce, unwired, rewired in certain parts, light trim, and all the weeds taken off. Hopefully, like I said, all these buds will start to pop soon, and I might even repot it this spring. I've got a few smaller actual bonsai pots that I might put it in. I don't want it getting much bigger than this. It's quite a cool little shape. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below, what you think to this, and if it's too early to repot yet or not. It'll have a complete change of soil, because this is still the stuff that was in when I bought it. So it'll go into KZN number 2 in the spring or whenever. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and don't forget to give me a like, a sub, a share, and I will catch you all in the next one.